In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all errors and crashes on Fivem. If you're experiencing crashes and errors in Fivem, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First thing you can do is to remove resource packs or mods. If you've installed additional mods or resource packs in Fivem, one of them might be causing conflicts. Temporarily remove any resource, heavy modification, and restart to see if this stops the problem. If this resolves the issue, try adding the mods back one by one to identify the problematic one. Second thing that you can do is to clear cache. Cleaning the cache can often help. To do that, press WinR to open the run box. Type app data and hit enter to open the app data folder. Now access the local folder and locate the Fivem folder and double click it to show its contents. The third thing that you can do is to run as administrator. Run Fivem as an administrator and set compatibility mode to Windows 8. You can also try disabling full screen optimizations for Fivem. Remember to try the steps one by one and see if they resolve the issue. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.